China proposed the Global Development Initiative at the General Debate of the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly in 2021. The initiative aims to steer global development toward a new stage of balanced, coordinated, and inclusive growth. Since its inception, the GDI has gained support from more than 100 countries and several international organizations, including the United Nations. Nearly 70 countries have joined the group of friends of the initiative. Experts say that the initiative helps boost inclusive and common development around the world and provides a Chinese solution to global development challenges.
The Holistic Global Development Initiative is a valued contribution to addressing common challenges and accelerating the transition to a more sustainable and inclusive future.
The Global Development Initiative has set out a blueprint for the development of country and international development cooperation. It embraces the people-centered core concept, which will help promote the global prosperity, steering the global development toward a new stage of balanced, coordinated, and inclusive growth.
The Global Development Initiative is more concrete roadmap and outline how to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals within the framework of the UN documents. In that regard, China is putting more specific agenda for its contribution for the Sustainable Development Goals.
We very much, welcome the initiative that we have to move forward to a shared future, not a selfish future, but one which is shared by all countries of the world, rich or poor. The beautiful aspect of China's transformation is that China has not been selfish to enjoy the benefits of the creativity of the Communist Party of China by themselves. They have shared their experiences with all the developing countries.